There we are, folks. We are now at the circus and the freak show. This is Rosendo Pliers attempting a feat that no one else has ever accomplished. He says he can do it. And after this, he will be toothless, or I think maybe he's just hungry. There's nothing to eat around here, so we found a pair of pliers. But I gotta tell you, folks, what'd you say? Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at, he loves that pain. Uh-huh. Quiet people in the audience. Quiet. He needs quiet. That's it. See, I think he's in a meditative state, moving away in his mind. This man feels no pain. He's just insane. Holy Christmas audience! A big round of applause for Mr. Perez. Let's see a close-up of that.
How about that? How you doing?
Okay. Get backstage with that.
That was awesome.
Alcohol and
Hydroperoxide?
yeah.
You got that on video?
Yes.
Sweet. Look how big it is, though.
I better have it on video.
It's huge.
That's not it. It's not. The roots aren't that bad.